What's up YouTube, it's your boy 360 Feeling. I'm back with another video. And this video is about the products I've been using.
That's good enough.
As y'all know, my hair don't look good right now, but yeah, I've been using products. This product, I used it when I started. I still use it after like a shower to get my hair better texture. This can help you change your hair texture. Not fully change it, but like makes it better to its full potential, you feel me? Like coarse hair, yeah, I recommend you should get this. And this is Deep Connection Olive Oyster Oil. Super shine and moisturize. Deep conditioner for cream for damaged hair. Your hair don't gotta be damaged, but yeah, you know. This oil gonna make your hair shiny. It's a very good oil, I'm telling y'all. Even Rico recommend this oil too. He putting everybody on, but I use this, and you know, my favorite product, and this is you can tell I had this since like August, I think. It's almost done, but I don't use it like that no more. Maybe on shortcuts, maybe. I should be having a pomade somewhere right here, but I can't find it. You know, that shampoo I use, any shampoo I use. I use Murray's Foam Up Crown. I'll make a little video on that. Like when you want to make your crown, when you want to close your crown, yeah, I suggest using some type of pomade. You feel me? I'm gonna make a video on the whatever this is called. But yeah, it's good. It only costs like $4 from any place, beauty supply store. So Tops, yeah, you can get it from anywhere. You know, I did buy a new mirror too, and yeah, I did buy a new mirror. Yep. You see that? Damn, my hair look bad. Damn. Damn. You know what to do. What that brush do. But I'll make it a little bit shiny, you feel me? There's some other products I used, but it's a long time done, but yeah. But I'm about to use this African bass oil because my hair is looking that type can't open. section, you wanna lift up your hair, and you know that means you got a comb. So you wanna lift your hair up, so you got a comb first. Combing help with forks, straighten your waves up. It helps with a lot of stuff. That's the first thing you wanna do before you have a brush session, before you wash your hair, before you do anything, basically. Yeah. That's, on a comb. Better use the mirror too. And combing can help you with your crown too, you feel me? I ain't gonna comb for that long. But I suggest you comb for like 10 minutes. I got two big forks in the front that I'm trying to break. I don't know if you can see them or not, but like right here somewhere, and then this one right here. Yeah. Trying to break them forks. I'm about to apply some African Best oil. You don't gotta apply that much. Damn, Apollo. Damn, I just applied too much. Well, as y'all know. Look at that. Right away, cuz. I did it all wrong. I usually brush with the medium brush. Then I'll apply something in. Cause the soft brush is, it spreads it throughout your whole head. So that's what I usually do. But just gotta do what you gotta do. Then you wanna grab your brush. Then have a brush session for at least 10 minutes with the hard brush or medium brush. I'm using a medium brush because my hair not that long right now. Yeah, my hair getting silky already. And I didn't even do that much yet. I'll show you though. I check my first YouTube video. I was going for a squirrel. Now I'm trying to translate it to a beehive. And I don't know how it's going. I don't know. It looks good from here, but someone in school told me today my shit look like a squirrel. But I'm still gonna try to go beehive without scalping. I ain't gonna brush for that long. But now what you wanna do is grab your soft brush after you brush with your hard brush. Then lay your hair down. I think you should know that. think my hair should look better now. After plastic bag, I like folding my rags. I don't know, I like it better. But I'm gonna be back in like 2 hours. And this is a Rabbi Kids do-rag. I'll be back to show you after my hair get laid. Yeah. But that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next video, you feel me? And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Get your boy up to 200 subs, you feel me? Yeah, I'll catch you next time. Well, it's been hours later and about share what happened to my hair. Feel me? Damn, gotta work on this side. But look at that. Look at that oil. Look at that oil. Look at that. Look way out with that oil there. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. This is a good product. Yes, you go buy it. And it costs like $3. Yeah. Y'all gotta go cop yourself some. See? But like my shit and comment and subscribe.